Hi everyone, welcome to Sol's Kitchen. If you are first time here, like and subscribe my video. Today I make this delicious tortilla soup. It's perfect for the winter times, traditional and very popular and delicious in the Mexican food. It's so good. Let's start. I have one full chicken and I cut on a small piece. I have 7 tomatoes, 1 bunch cilantro. I have 9 cloves of garlic. I have 3 chiles guajillo, 5 chiles puya, and 20 corn tortillas, and fresh cheese. You can find this cheese on Walmart. I have 1.5 cups of mozzarrella cheese and cream and sour cream. I have 2 avocados and 1 bunch epazote. I have 2.5 liters of water. Turn on the heat on medium heat. Now add the clove garlic, 5 cloves, onion. Now add the chicken. Remove all the white foam. Remove all. Now add 1 tablespoon salt. Add cilantro and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, the chicken is ready. Turn off the stove. Leave it for 20 minutes. Right now it's very hot. I have 3 cups of water and the tomato. Leave for 8 minutes on medium heat. After 8 minutes, and turn off the stove. And I remove from the chicken soup the onion and the cilantro and the garlic. Remove all the bone from the beef. Now chicken is ready. I remove all the bone. And cut the tortilla. On a slice like that. And leave here on the plate for 30 minutes. Add the tomato with the chili. And I put the water, like 1 cup. Add the 4 cloves of garlic, grinder. Now the salsa is ready. Add 4 tablespoons oil. The oil now is hot. Add the salsa. Leave for 8 minutes on medium heat. After 8 minutes, add the chicken soup, all the chicken soup. Add half teaspoon salt. It's important to wash, clean the epazote. Leave on medium heat. After 15 minutes, chicken soup is ready. Turn off the stove. I have 3 cups oil. When the oil is hot, fry the tortilla. Add tortilla. Now the tortilla is very crunchy. This color brown or gold is ready. And remove from the oil. How crunchy it is, look. Cut the chile puya in a small piece. I put here little oil and fry the chile puya. The chile is ready. And now when I put the chicken, tortilla, soup, fresh cheese, mozzarella cheese, and sour cream. And avocado. The chile, the puya. Enjoy the soup. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye.